Alright, so right now diagnostic. Got P076 Solenoid B, also known as SL2. Check that out. It's acting pretty good. Next culprit that I checked was which one is this? S2. Alright, that one is bad. The resistance reading was about 67 ohms. Range is supposed to be between 11 and 15 ohms. Also checked this solenoid here. Checked out the rest of the solenoids. They all checked out. Put 12 volt battery power to them and they worked out. Now this is what it looks like under the car. Alright, so I already put on a new filter. It's a new brand new filter, as you can see. I had a issue with this vehicle. Has been, as you can see, the rust on the exhaust. This car has been driven in New York for a while, and as a result, the transmission oil pan fasteners or bolts, they snapped off. So in the process of doing a tap and die, one of my dies broke off in here. I'll work on that issue later on. I'm probably going to put a clamp or something around the pan to keep right here snug. Already cleaned up the matting surface with scrape it off with a razor blade. This is the culprit, this green one right here. This is on the passenger side of the vehicle. Alright, so you have this black solenoid here. This green one is a problem. This is S2. These checked out resistance, and they also got actuated once I put the power on it. So these are all good. This is all on the passenger side of the transmission. Alright, see? That's the front of the vehicle. Alright. So for now, I'm just going to button this back up, put some fluid in it, and order the part that I need, and replace this bad boy. Once I get the part, I'll do a follow-up and let you guys know. Alright, but supposedly this one is supposed to tell the computer to shift the vehicle from third, fourth, fifth, but instead, because this is stuck open, it jumps from third to sixth gear, and so you get a hard shift. Alright, so I'm gonna fill this thing back up, and I'll catch up with you guys with the update. And oh, by the way, I measured how much fluid came out of the pan. It's about 2.2 quarts. I don't know if that's correct, but that's what I read. I'll do the temperature gauge thingamajiggy. I'll run it in text stream. I'll do let the vehicle warm up to 100 and I think 4 degrees, the oil pan for the transmission fluid. Let it warm up, and then I'll crack the bolt and see if anything trickles out. But yeah, I did see that it was about 2 quarts, so more to follow.